Welcome to a space where words meet heart. I'm here to share my thoughts, my poems with you with an intention that they connect with you in a meaningful way. So let's explore these feelings and spread some love along the way. So, yesterday evening, I had written two poems. Maybe three, I don't remember, but I remember I had written two poems. And I was looking outside my window and there is a tree. There are many trees, but out of that there is one mango tree in our garden. So I was looking at it and I was listening to songs, and there was anime girl in, not anime girl, there was illustration like, and she has big eyes and really cute girl. So I just imagined tree like a girl, and I thought like her, like she is like the roots of tree. So she is stuck at one place and she is trying to go out, and that girl was really cute. So she has those big eyes, and how their smile looks like they are beaming, like they are just so cute. Like how can someone look so cute? That kind of girl she was. So yeah, so I wrote this poem and I will read this poem out to you now. Wrapped legs, deep buried underneath the soil like roots of a huge tree. I will repeat this, okay? Wrapped legs, deep buried underneath the soil like roots of huge tree. Dead bark cannot hide the life it covers. The roots keep growing underneath quietly. I see the bright, spreading arms, catching the sunlight, like curious smile and beaming hopeful light in eyes of little girl, who plays like little green leaves with sunlight, growing higher and higher, spreading arms wider, trying to reach the sky by climbing over the ladder, following the rays of sunshine. This is really beautiful poem. It is exactly what I was thinking. So you see the wrapped legs deep buried underneath the soil like roots of huge tree. That is what I saw. That the dead bark cannot hide the life it covers. So the girl is so lively and she is alive. Trees are alive. Like I saw the girl in the tree. So the life which is inside, the dead bark of tree, it cannot cover the life which is inside. The roots keep growing underneath quietly. So yeah, how the tree, as much the tree is growing upward, that much it is growing downward, and we cannot see because it is, so we cannot see, that is why it is quiet. There is no, we feel that there is no activity, but so much is happening inside. I see the bright spreading arms catching the sunlight. So the girl has spread her arms wider and she is trying to reach higher and higher. She is trying to catch the sunlight, like curious smile and beaming hopeful light in eyes of little girl. So you see her smile is curious, there is curiosity in her smile and in her eyes, and there is hopeful light beaming in her eyes of that little girl who plays like little green leaves with sunlight. So there was air and wind, so the leaves were, moving. And I said that she plays like little leaves with the sunlight. So the leaves were moving, the sunlight coming and going, like they were trying to catch each other. Growing higher and higher, spreading arms wider, trying to reach the sky by climbing over the ladder. So yeah, this is really beautiful line. Growing higher and higher, spreading arms wider, trying to reach the sky by climbing over the ladder, following the rays of sunlight. So she's climbing over the ladder, following the rays of sunshine. So here I have tried to, sunlight and tree and a girl. A really beautiful poem it is. And I had written it yesterday. I wanted to share it with you. I hope you like it because it is really lovely poem. And thank you so much for listening to me and watching my video. I will bring more work to you. I will try my best to bring better poems to you. And in even better way. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care and have a really nice every moment you are living in. All the present moments which you are witnessing, which you will witness. I hope they are really very amazing for you. Thank you so much. Bye.